Dead spots in your lawn from fungal disease can totally ruin your yard's vibe, but you can fix them up if you know what to do. So, first off, you want to grab a good fungicide that's meant for lawn use and follow the instructions carefully. That stuff works best when applied before the fungus spreads too much. When you spot those dead patches, make sure to pull out the infected grass blades because leaving them there just lets the fungus keep growing. Keep your lawn mowed to the right height, not too short, because cutting it too low stresses the grass and makes it easier for fungi to take over. Water your lawn early in the day, like in the morning, so the grass has time to dry out before nightfall. Fungus loves moisture hanging around overnight. Aerate your soil if it's compacted because airflow helps grass roots stay strong and fight off diseases. Don't overdo the fertilizer either. Too much nitrogen can encourage fungal growth, so stick with balanced feeding and only when your grass actually needs it. Also, rake up fallen leaves and debris often. They trap moisture and create perfect conditions for fungus to thrive. Finally, if you notice anything weird or spreading fast, call in a pro to get a precise diagnosis so you're not guessing what's wrong. One of the biggest mistakes people make with fungal disease in lawns is ignoring early signs, like small spots or discoloration, and letting it spread, which makes fixing it way harder. Catching it early and applying fungicides stops that quick. Another is overwatering, or watering late in the day, which keeps the grass wet and invites fungus to grow. Switch to morning watering, and only water as much as your lawn really needs. The third common slip-up is mowing too short or with dull blades, which weakens grass and stresses it out so fungi take advantage. Keep mower blades sharp and set at the right height so your grass can stay healthy and fight back. BigHomeProjects.com is great for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors without all the hassle, saving time and stress when fixing up your yard or house. Plus, it helps contractors connect with people who need their skills, making sure everyone gets the right job done.